What's the meaning of caplet? Caplet. Caplet.
Caplet. Caplet. A caplet is a type of financial instrument that derives its value from an underlying asset and functions similarly to a call option. A caplet provides the holder with the right, but not the obligation, to receive a payment if the underlying asset's interest rate exceeds a certain predetermined level. The term caplet is derived from the combination of the words cap and option. Caplets are commonly used in the interest rate markets as a means of hedging against interest rate volatility. In summary, a caplet is a financial instrument that allows the holder to benefit from increases in interest rates.